Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tag people in a LinkedIn post. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Next, tap on the post button at the bottom center of the screen. Now, tap on the media upload option and select the photo or video you want to include in your post. After selecting your media, tap Done. Next, tap on the tag button at the bottom of the screen. A search bar will appear. Type the name of the person you want to tag. When their name appears in the search results, tap on it to add the tag. You can repeat the same steps to tag more than one person in your post. Once you've finished tagging everyone, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap Next to continue. If you'd like, you can also add a caption or description for your post before publishing it. Now, tap Post in the top right corner of the screen. Your post will begin uploading, which may take a few moments. After the upload is complete, tap View Post. Open your post, and you'll be able to see the people you've tagged. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.